Hello traders, it's another trade recap here on USDJPY that I shorted on the 20th of March. So in this trade, I lost around $2,261 on both my left account and FTMO account. So for my risk management, I risked around $170 in my left account and $2,000 for my FTMO challenge account. The reason why I lost slightly more than I risked is because of the short fee and the commission fee imposed in my FTMO account. So as usual here, this is my Justmarkets account for my transparency purpose. So you can see on the left hand side over here, it says Justmarkets left account over here. So you can see there are two short positions on USDJPY here. The first one that I took on the 20th of March and the 21st of March. So the second trade over here is just the addition to the first trade because of my risk management. I want to make my risk become $170. That is why I add the second position here. And then both are sell trades. And the first one over here is the lot size of 0.17. The second one is 0.01. Okay, so the price that I entered was 148.77. Stop loss 140.224. So my take profit here is 147.324. The time that it hit my stop loss was 24th of March. Okay, so I lost $164 in this trade. And then add up the second trade over here is $173 loss in this trade. So you can see over here my profit here is negative 173. Alright. So you can see in my chart over here, I actually entered both of these positions. The first arrow here is the first trade that I entered, which is the 0.17 lot size. And the next one is this 0.01 lot size. So both of these trades are my USDJPY trade that I entered, but unfortunately it hit my stop loss right at this price level. So yeah, it is what it is. So this is my left account for this market. Let me move on to my FTMO account over here to show you my history of the trade that I took on my other account. The same idea over here for my FTMO account. As you can see, I also entered this trade on the 20th of March. USDJPY, a sell trade, 2.09 lot size. The reason why I risk more on my FTMO account is because I have a bigger capital here. So I decided to risk more, which is $2,000 per trade. And then my entry price was 148.774. Stop loss same, take profit the same. And yeah, my commission here is -6, short fee -62, profit -2020. So over here I actually made a mistake. I did not check the short fee before I enter the trade. So the next time when I enter the trade, I have to check the short fee carefully before I enter the trade, so I can slightly decrease my lot size to avoid in the case like this, where I actually lost more than I risked. So you can see below over here, my profit here is negative $2,088. Alright, so the same idea over here, so I don't have to explain so much about this because it's the same thing as my live account. And then one thing is that I often receive a lot of DMs on Instagram asking me, hey Vincent, do you trade on your real account or demo account? So for your information, most of the signals and setups that I share in my G trading room are the setups that suit my trading criteria, that suit my risk management plan, and even based on my own analysis. So you can see from the FTMO and the Justmarkets left account I have showed you over here, it's all real trades and none of these are fake. There are not many setups available in the market that suit my trading criteria. So the setups that I share in the G trading room is definitely lesser for the first 3 months starting this year. So my main idea is that I don't try to fake signals. I always doing my best to share what I can do and do what is possible. And the setups that I share in the group are not mandatory for my members to follow. They can follow if they want, but I'm just sharing it just because I want my members to follow up my progress if I have entered any trade over here. Okay, now the next thing I want to move on is the trading view over here. Okay, so this is the daily time frame. So now I'm going to show you the trade that I took on that day and the reason why I took it. Alright, so this is the daily time frame over here, and you can see that the price, after it hit this really resistant level, it went down straight away to this support level over here. So I would say this is a major SNR level in my eyes. And then the reason why I say that this level is significant is because you see that the price reacted to this price level once and twice before breaking past, third and the fourth time before it break past and retest. So you can see the overall movement over here is quite bearish. Alright, so after breaking past this level over here and retest, I will be looking for potential sell setup rather than buy. So if we look at the price closely over here, you can see that the price it reacted to this level first before it break past and retested to this. So over here, I see two confirmation for my trade setups. So you can see this is my resistance zone over here. So as soon as the price approaches to this resistance zone, you can actually see that the first candle it formed is this rejection candle over here. So this rejection candle means that there is a potential, there is a possibility that the price will go downward. But then the price is still quite bullish at that moment, so I will not focus on sell yet. I'll wait until the next candle to form first before I enter a trade. So you can see the following candle is this bearish rejection candle. So the long wick over here is the rejection candle, indicating a strong bearish momentum in the market. So this is actually my main confirmation candle here is the bearish rejection candle with a long wick. So what I did was I waited until the next day to enter a sell limit around this price level over here, where my stop loss is above the high over here and my take profit is above the low over here, above the previous low, because I want to increase my win rate of this trade. So I don't want the price to break past this low and forming a new low. I'm just expecting a short downtrend momentum at this market. And then when I go to a 4 hour time frame, you can see that my price level was actually over here. So it was a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade over here. Alright. So you can see after the price was triggered, it went up over here and went down with a bearish engulfing candle in the 4 hour time frame. So unfortunately, it hit our stop loss. It is what it is. So that is how my overall thought process of taking this trade. I have journaled the trade and review it for my USDJPY to see if there is any improvement that I can make. So my conclusion for this trade is it's a great loss for me. At least I know what I'm doing. So the reason why I say it is a great loss is because I did a very sub execution at the price level over here. I did not enter the trade because of FOMO where I have to enter a little bit lower. Okay, so I waited the price to go up and then I entered a trade. So basically it's a sub execution over here, and I did not enter this trade with any emotional attachment. It's all based on my game plan. I would say it's quite normal for things like this to happen in your trading journey, because this is where you get better and improve yourself in terms of your execution, fine-tuning your strategy or your game plan, and train your mentality. Well, you can't totally avoid losses in trading because that is quite impossible. Trading is a probability game. It's about winning and losing. A profitable system comes with both winning and losing. You can't totally avoid losing, because if you try to avoid it in the other way around, you are also trying to avoid winning. And if you try to avoid losses, the chances are you will never fully embrace the trading journey, and you will never fully accept the risk of each trade that you take, and you will be suffering a lot if you don't accept the risk. Yeah, because there are times that you will lose in trading, and it is what it is. Follow the game plan and see where you can improve. Alright, so that's it for my trade recap video here. If you learned something or enjoy the content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what you want me to talk about next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.